You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Monday, March 16, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 22,705.19 basis points with a market capitalization of 11.832 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by 0.12%. The equities market resumed the new week on the bearish note as investors lost 14.67 billion. At the close of trading, market recorded 18 gainers to 14 losers. The top three gainers were Cordville Business Solutions, Lasaco Assurance PLC, and Niger Insurance, while Transnational Corporation of Nigeria, Skyway Aviation Handling Company, and Jaiz Bank were among the top losers. In terms of trade volumes, Guarantee Trust Bank, FBN Holdings, and Zenith Bank were the top players. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 692.60 basis points with a market capitalization of 508.76 billion. Volume of shares traded was 349,589 and the value traded 13.521 million in 8 deals executed. For the FMBQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 28.99 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 367 naira 74 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 367 naira 94 kobo and closed at 367 naira 78 kobo to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on the screen. For the key highlights from yesterday, in the wake of the global coronavirus pandemic, the Central Bank of Nigeria gave a briefing on key steps it will be taking to support Nigeria's containment of the virus. According to the CBN Governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, a moratorium on loans has been extended by 1 year and participating financial institutions are expected to provide new amortization schedules. Mr. Emefiele also announced that the CBN will provide credit support for the healthcare sector that will enable pharmaceutical companies to expand their business and build their manufacturing plants to produce drugs in the country. Also, interest rates for all the CBN intervention facilities has been reduced from 9% to 5% per annum for the next 1 year, with effect from March 1, 2020. The lender of last resort also rolled out a 50 billion naira targeted credit facility designed to support households and MSMEs. For the key market and economic events to watch, there are major concerns of an imminent global recession because of the twin effect of coronavirus and a declining crude oil price regime that is impacting the global markets from the developed to the emerging ones. The US Fed announced that it has cut its interest rate to zero with a $700 billion bond buyback plan, same with the Bank of England, while other major central banks like the European Central Bank, Bank of England, Bank of Japan, Bank of Canada, and People's Bank of China are all injecting billions of dollars into their respective economies as stimulus plans. If those efforts fail to inspire the market and economy, then the warnings of recessions will take the center stage and economies like that of Italy may be the first to experience a total economic meltdown. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a great day.